조용해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에
Be nice, be kind, and keep on spreading positive vibes. Mwah. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your Tala girl and I'm back with a new video. So there you go, we went to the supermarket. So on est arrivé du coup à Intermarché et du coup là on planifie de faire échanger des pièces et faire les courses.
썼던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 잉잉잉
A few inches later.
Change lang ako ng outfit saglit. Ching! Guys, on the way na kami sa school.
6.5 hours.
I'm back! It's done! Wanna see? Unboxing time pala to. Joke lang. Remember I was telling you about the package I had to pick up and there you go. Vlogger ka. Sharan! Oh, ang laki niya, diba? Mas malaki pa yan sa akin. Wow, vlogger na siya. Tara. Sharan! Ganito kalaki yung box. Tingnan natin, buksan natin, alright? Wow, excited ako. Wow, cute naman yung packaging. So actually, sobrang dali niya na dumating. Like, it took 2 days to get this one. Wow, ganda yung packaging. Ta-da! How cute the packaging is, right? Ganda, may pa-ribbon pa sila. There you go. Let's see. Ta-da! Whoa! There you go. There you have it. So, syempre, andito yung resibo. We even have a card. And notice pala siya. So, yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano. Notice siya on how to send the product back. But, sana hindi naman mangyari yun. Sana hassle pa kasi, di ba? So, yeah. And there you go. Once again, makita lang natin. I-flaunt lang natin yung cuteness nito. And there you go. So, c'est présenté comme ça. Et du coup, c'est bien emballé. Je vous préviens, c'est un super petit package. And there you go. There you have it. Ordinary product. I never tested that. So, let me know if you want a review on this product. And yeah, actually, nakita lang to sa isang channel, so I thought why not use this. And magaling daw siya para ma-hydrate yung skin mo and stuff. So yeah, lalo na pa lapit ang summer, we don't want no non-hydrated skin, diba? Let's try. Let's see. Tcha! So ganito siya. Yay! Excited na akong igamitin siya. There you go. There you have it. There you go! Wow! Beauty vlogger ka na, te! So yeah, by the way, I just wanted to say thank you sa lahat ng comment and nag-share talaga. Thank you sa lahat ng congrats sa akin. You guys are absolutely astonishing and one of a kind. So yeah, there you have it. That was all. Laki-laki ng box, no? So yeah, that was it. And I hope you enjoyed this. And if you want to see more haul, and then go and like this video. And see ya! Oh, and na-notice ko nga pala sa loob, may nakasulat na, merci! That's the French way of saying thank you. So yeah, by the way, upcoming video ko nga pala is teaching you how to speak in French. And yeah, merci à tous et je vous embrasse tous mes amours. À très vite. Siyempre gusto natin hydrated yung skin natin. So let's try this one and I'll let you know more about this product. If you want to see a part 2 of this product, then please give this a thumbs up and like and share. Actually, quite excited na akong i-try this product. Yeah, I know. Isa lang siyang product pero grabe, ang laki-laki ng box. So yeah, sa mga sneak peeks nga, we were on the way to Villeneuve-Loubet. So yeah, sana ma-enjoy nyo din yung quiet day with me. Let me know what you want me to do next. And summer feels na, excited na akong pumunta sa mga beach and stuff. And then, update of the day. So yun nga, ngayon pala yung bukasan ng eskwelahan, tsaka ng mga sinehan. So, excited na talaga ako. Kahit pa paano, like, back to normal na din. Tiwala lang. God's first. Hey, what's up? It's your Tala Girl, and I'm back with a new video. Self-love is the best love. The second most important relationship in your life. It's crucial. So here are 3 simple ways to practice self-love. So without further ado, let's start this video. Yahoo! But before that, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, leave a comment down below, and like and share. For more contents, more updates, click, click, click. Be nice, be kind, and keep on spreading good vibes. God's first. Actually, please don't mind. I have here my computer, so I'll be checking the notes I've been writing. Once again, those are only my opinions, and this is all based on my researches. So, if kung meron akong hindi na-mention, na gusto niyo i-mention ko, please let me know in the comments down below. And special shoutouts nga sa lahat ng mga tao na nagko-comment, na consistent sa pagko-comment. You guys, I love you. Tip number 1. Tchanan! I'd suggest you avoid negative people. Siguro nahalata niyo po, paulit-ulit ko na lang po sinasabi. Pero siguro ito po yung pinaka-best advice na mamibigay ko din po sa inyo. Bakit po? Simple lang po. Kasi it's time-consuming, energy training, tsaka kung mahalata niyo po, nakaka-affect po ito sa behavior po natin, tsaka sa mindset po natin. Avoid lang po natin yung mga negative vibes. It's not that easy, but allow yourself and respect yourself enough to distance yourself from those negative people. Isipin lang po natin, life is too short actually. Let's surround ourselves with genuine, supportive, caring, motivating people. And you'll see, mag-glow din po kayo from it. Tip number 2, embrace your flaws. Allow yourself to feel your emotions. Give up the need of approval of everyone out there. Hindi mo mapiplease lahat ng tao. Pero good news is, God accept you as you are. You are valued to His eyes. So, ano pa? Saan ka pa, diba? Kaya, how about hand in hand, tulungan tayo. Let's try to work out on our peace of mind and learn to embrace ourselves as who we are. And syempre, let's aim for improvement. Diba? Kasi, ano ba yung self-love? Diba? Self-love means that you accept truly yourself. You treat yourself with kindness and respect. Tsaka you nurture your growth, tsaka yung well-being mo. Diba? Ang sarap lang pakinggan, diba? And tandaan natin, positivity attracts positivity. Siyempre, ang sarap sa feeling pag na-unlock na yung 2 tips na yun. Pero, ito pa, may better tip pa. The last, but not the least, tip number 3. Let God be. Let's stop trying to figure it all out. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your paths. Amen. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6, if you're curious and you want to check it all out. Dito kasi, sinasabi sa atin ni Lord na we should learn to trust Him. We are to let go and let God handle it. Because alam niya naman you've done your best, you've done your part. Huwag mo suluhin, andyan siya. I know it can be surreal at times, but trust Him. because it knows what's best for you. And let's quit overthinking, guys, about things we don't have no control over. At saka, whenever you feel like overthinking, I'd suggest you inhale and exhale. I know how overthinking can affect someone's life. Sleeping with a heavy heart is such a tough task. And you deserve to rest with a peaceful heart. And look, I know you've been trying. I know you've been trying your best and you've been handling this all alone. And you know what? I'm proud of you and I believe in you and I love you. How about now you allow God to work for you, alright? Allow God to do His part. And you'll see, you'll be surprised. And actually, to be honest with you guys, hindi naman talaga tong topic na to yung plinano ko for today's video actually. Pero, nasadin lang ako because I came across a lot of posts of, you know, people that are suffering all alone, that thinks that, you know, they're all alone facing this, diba? Nakakalungkot lang siya. Kaya, I felt the urge to make this video. And actually, this goes out to all the people who has a lot of silent battles and silent cries every night. People that suffer alone. Here I am sending you my love today, and here I am to listen. And really, I encourage all of you, people out there, you don't have to be necessarily sad to listen to this. I want you, you know, make sure, check out on people you love, your friends, your lover, your family. It's really important. Tandaan lang po natin, okay, na God never allows pain without a purpose. Kaya, you got this, little fighter, okay? I believe that you can. God sees you. God sees your tears at night. He understands the pain. He cares for you. He knows your silent battles and believe He is working on it. Trust the process. Panghawakan mo yung mga pangarap mo. Because I can tell you that because I know you have purpose. I've been given this platform. And thanks Lord for giving me this purpose. And really, I want to try my best to be as deserving as possible. You've been watching me and you've been encouraging me. The least I can do is give back. Diba? And I really hope and I really want to share this with you. I've been praying for this channel. I've been praying na sana itong channel nito ay maging channel of blessings din. Your support. Guys, this is my way of giving back and I hope somehow may natutunan kayo or somewhat nakaka-inspire din to. And yeah guys, I only wish you the best. And sama-sama po tayong umangat and walang iwanan. Thank you for watching and God bless. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan ang shoutout time! Shoutout kay Joshua K. Zara. I know you have been waiting for this video, so shoutout to you. Lenny Stopa, Eva Palo, Mélanie Lofidoro. Je vous aime trop, vous êtes des amours. Merci d'être là encore et toujours là. Je vous aime trop. Bisous. Syempre, shoutout and special shoutout kay Daddy Cheesy. You know who you are. Kay Frylan Lat, your undying support is just solid. You rock! Siyempre, hindi kita makakalimutan, Marilyn Subate. Thank you so much sa support mo. Andyan ka pa rin, and thank you for messaging me. Kay Jeric Joyo, thank you for congratulating me. You've been so nice with me, and yeah, matagal-tagal ka na din nandito eh. Kay Alexis Aguas, thank you so much. Thank you so much for suggesting that I should do live stream. Yeah, somehow, I'm getting there. So, if there are gamers out there, tulungan nyo na lang ako, okay? Try natin mag-live stream ng PUBG or ML ba yan? And syempre kay Kerwin Alea, thank you so much. You've been a sweetheart and thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you had a great time and catch you on my next video.
Know that you are good enough. Please don't give up when things get tough.